Hey, hi guys. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to tell you a program that I created, and this one it bypassed the Google reCAPTCHA version 2, which is the checkbox. You have to click on the checkbox and then solve the squares, right? The images, photos, right? So we're not going to use the Google Cap, or it will going to bypass the reCAPTCHA version 2, but we're not going to use the tool CAPTCHA to click on the checkbox and then solve the squares or the photos. Okay, what we're going to do here, we're going to use an API key, as you can see, an API key, but I'm not going to tell you where I got the API key, but right now we're going to pull up the company names of or different company names across British Columbia and Canada, and the industry that we're going to that they came from are they came from the industry constructions. That's the industry that we are trying to scrape and get and then export it to a CSV file. Okay, and let me show you where does the company names. Alright, the company name is located here. These are other programs that I have. And the name of the folder is deck underscore makers. And the name of the file is in Excel sheets. It's deck underscore make or makers. Okay, going to open that up. Okay, as you can see, there's no sheets on here. The name of the company, decision makers column is currently blank, sorry. And here are the names. We're going to get the first 50 company name. Hold on. Okay, company names, and then we're going to pull up the Excel sheet, and then run it, and then it will going to get the decision makers in that company, which is probably CEO, CTO, CFOs, owners, founders, presidents, vice president, directors, uh, partners, managers, project managers, those kind of things, okay, or those people in the company. Okay, I'm going to close. I'm going to save this, close it. Then we're going to run the program. Okay, that's okay. It's going to Python main py. As you can see, it's here. Then I'm going to select the files here, just to show you. Okay, okay, and then double click on that. All right, it will going to run the program, and then we're going to search for all the decision makers in that company. Usually it will going to give us one or probably two here, but yeah, it will going to search the I mean any resources on the internet. Okay, and once done, it will going to give us the details here. Okay, we're going to wait for that, and this will it will take a little bit time because we're going to use Selenium WebDriver, but I'm using the headless WebDriver because just it so it will I mean that's one of the portion that we're going to use the Selenium WebDriver that doesn't have, but it will going to show the browser. Okay, that's why it's called headless browser, okay, because it doesn't show the browser, right? And just as you can see, says not responding, but it will going to show. All right, as you can see here, it gave us the only 50. Yeah, it's 50 already. That's, as you can see here, it gave us all the names of the plus owners. You can see Noonan Logistics, Scott Contracting, Scott. As you can see there, all the information are already inside of this table. Okay, and let's go ahead and put it in the sheet. Hmm, owners instruction. Okay. Right. Going to open that up. As you can see, it's here. Right. We're just going to uh, format the cell, alignment, wrap text. Okay. And there you go. Right. You can see it's here up to 50. It's 50, as you can see here, right? All 50 names are here. You just have to format this so you can get the other names on there because they have comma, so you have to use the text, the what you call this text column. So it's going to go to the column that you want to put, or just use the formula to separate those names and then put it on the right column. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.